What's up, everyone? This is Bill. How you doing today? I got a video review for you. These people have sent me this to do a review on. This is a company called, I believe it's pronounced SINOPIE, SINOPIE, maybe SINOPIE. Not exactly sure how to pronounce the actual name of it. But this is a dog collar. These people are from over in Japan? From China. So this is a dog training collar, and you can see here on the label, LCD display, auto sleep, rechargeable, waterproof receiver, beep, vibration, and static mode. In remote range is up to 300 meters. Okay. So here's what all you get in the box. So obviously this is the trainer portion of it. So this will do shock, vibrate, and beep. The collar is going to go around here and through it. And this is the collar that it comes with. Okay, it's taped in here. Let's see if we can get it untaped here. There we go. So it's a collar, quite a big collar, really. But it does have lots of holes for adjustment. It seems pretty tough. You can see there is a spot for your leash to go onto. And then it does come with this is the receiver, or the controller, the remote part of it. So if you hold this M down for 2 seconds, you can see it turned on. See if we can get it to focus in on here. So right now it's on vibrate. See if we hold this power button down on top of here. It vibrated, lets you know that it's on. Okay, so Y makes it vibrate. Okay, and then you have your turn it up and down on the back, on the side here. So that was at 100 on the vibrate. So you turn down all the way from 100 to 1. And then, okay, so you can adjust from 100 to 1 on all the different functions. This is your plus minus on the side here. Okay, and then if you scroll through, so you can see the lightning, that's going to be the shock portion of it. And then we can go to the next mode. This is just going to be a light, so if we hit the M button. Let's see here. Oh, I'm sorry. Hit the Y. So hit M. You can see the light flashes there. Alright, so you can't turn that up and down. So you see the light flashing on the little guy here. So if we hit M, that's going to make this beep. That cannot be turned up or down. Okay. Hit the M button again. This is going to be your vibrate. I'm sure you can hear it there. Okay. And then again, this is going to be the shock portion of it. So it does come with a tester to test out the shock portion to make sure that that is working. So I'll shock myself here. So if we hit the Y, you see that light flashing on there. It's just so you can test it out to make sure it's working. And right now it's at 12 on the remote. So I believe it gets brighter as you turn it up. You can see the difference here. And it does round robin. So if you go to 1, so you get this stuff focus there. If you go to 1 and you go back, it goes to 100. So there's 100. You can see it's just a solid. Okay. So that's how that works. It does come with some shorter tips that's longer tips. The ones that are installed on here are the shorter ones. And then, so it comes with shorter tips to put on here, or longer tips. You can change those out. It does come with these rubber plugs to go on either the short ones or the long ones, so that way that can't do any electrical by accident, or when you're storing it, or if you have it on the dog, you could put those on there. Okay, and then it does come with a charger. So the way the charger works, the charger has a USB. It does come with a little power bank for it, for the USB. Okay, and then it's tees off into a Y, and it will go into the bottom here to charge the unit. And it goes in the bottom here to charge this. You can charge them at the same time. Okay, so on the remote, you also have the little flashlight icon. So it does have a pretty bright little LED flashlight built into it. So if we put it in Vibrate, this has two different modes. So you can see if we turn this up, so we turn this up to 10. Okay, and our other one's at 76. So you hit this little button that looks like a little half, but it's actually 1, 2. So right now I have the device on Vibrate. You can hear that down there. That's vibrating. Hit the button. Now it's vibrating on 10. Turn it up past down. Okay, so you have two different modes, and then you can go to the lightning one. One's at 100, one's at 7. So basically you could have it set up for two different dogs if you wanted to do it that way. Let's see if we can get it to... Okay. And it doesn't have the function where if the dog barks, where it, so I was knocking on it, see if it set it off. It doesn't have the function where if the dog barks, it goes off. So anyway, I'm going to put this on my little pup. I have a little dog named Ghost. We don't use this on him. We never have used any training collar. He's an extremely well-behaved dog and extremely well-trained. I'll show you what this looks like on him. I'm obviously not going to use it on him whatsoever. But if you have a dog that needed this to be used on him, it's a good shock collar. And it's not very expensive. You know, you can spend quite a bit of money on a shock collar. I believe this one is going to run you less than $100. So let me go get my pup Ghost and get this on him, and we'll take a look at what it looks like on him. Okay, so here's my little dog Ghost. Ghost is 3 years old. He is a spaniel mix. Good boy, good boy. Here you go. Stay, stay. Okay, so Ghost is extremely well trained. He's wearing the collar right now. You can see it's not bothering him at all. Can you take it down a notch? Take it down a notch. All the way down. Head down. Ghost is pretty well trained. Head down. Thank you. Here you go. Can you sit? Can you up and spin? Up and spin. Up and spin. There you go. Let me move this back a little bit so we can get him on here. Okay, let's show his little up and spin here. See if we can do it better. Up. There you go. Okay. Can you sit? Can you shake? Other hand. That's a good boy. Okay, sometimes he gets this one right. Can you say please? Say, okay, there you go. Back here, back here. Right there, right there. Sit, sit. Thank you. Can you speak? No, speak. Speak. There's a speak. Good boy. So we're trying to get him to do just a whimper when he says please. Back here, back here. Come back here. Okay, sit. Sit. Good boy. Can you say please? Say please. There's please. Come back here. Come back here. Back here. Over here. Right there. Come here. Here. He's a good boy. Can you take it down a notch? Take it down a notch, mister. You see. You tell him to take it down a notch. Head down. Head down. All the way down. All the way down. Goes to all the way down. All the way. Stay. 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 You see there I have the treat over here. He'll stay like that. Good boy. Good boy, Ghost. Good boy. So anyway, that's my dog Ghost. You can see the collar. It doesn't bother him at all. I have the rubber tabs on it right now, so it's not going into him. One thing I did notice is you probably want to cut it to the right length. I don't want to cut it. I don't want to damage it, but it doesn't have anything for this collar to slide into. When you put this through, you put it through the little D-ring here. There's a little loop after you buckle it, and you adjust this by sliding it around on the collar to get it to be at his throat. You don't want it too tight. It shouldn't bother him at all. Okay? And then you'll want to cut this to the right length that you need it after it's through this D-ring. So anyway, that's the shock collar from SINOPIE. I'll leave a link to it on Amazon. You can go check it out. I believe when I started the video, I believe it was only around $50, something like that. So, but I know they sell it for less than $100. So anyway, that's my video. That's my pup Ghost. Ghost, you said bye-bye? You speak? Speak! Oh yeah, he's ready to go. Have a good day.